Papa me do re Micky aode. Papa me do re daya aode. Para mi ojo mona anya kyoko. Papa me do Micky aode. Daya aode. Papa me do Micky aode. Para mi ojo mona anya kyoko. Papa me do re Micky aode. Papa me do re daya aode. Para mi ojo mona anya kyoko. Papa me do.
I'm here. I'm at Ecojo's Feels94 Chop Bar. Today is a historic day. We are here. We are here to chop Akplan Day, Fufu Day, everything day. Efo, never chop bar. I'm here. Thank you. Congratulations, bro. Finally make attire God. I've been served by attire God. Charlie, this one there, history and kasa. Nice one. Charlie. Light soup or is that light soup or palm nut? Light soup, okay. We goat meat, eh? The meat look very soft. Wow. So guys, this is how they pound the fufu. So we have plantain and cassava, yeah? Yes. So this is a plantain and cassava fufu. So on Sunday, they do Zanu experience. So if you come here, they'll take you through the experience. It's quite amazing place. Oh, yeah, sorry. So Charlie, what you order? This one there. This one is Gargant one. What did the plate inside? What did the plate inside?
Then tilapia, then some small eggs.
I swear. Charlie, the government, they look at you. So this one, the whole plate, how much it is?
Okay.
Where? This is the biggest place I've ever seen. Wow, guys, we are currently at Feels94, and this is the one and only attire god. Had the best tea ever. The tea tastes so good, guys. If you find yourself in Accra, make sure you visit this place. And if you need a tea, contact attire god. I'll post some more details on my Facebook. Go there, check them out, guys. These guys are doing amazing work. Wow. So this place, they do open, I think almost every day, but Sunday is like a experience, like a Sunday experience where, you know, you can see people enjoy their food, like biggest bowls, they can pound up for food. They have this amazing experience where, this is the trending chop bar right now in Ghana. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to speak your way. Babadi, never gay. Never before I room about and I know Mava Akachi Ecojo, Feels Chop Bar. The only happening chop bar again.
Yeah, but what's your share? Anything on? That's what I'm down for. Feels94 reactive. They're active, they're able. They're good at ready before they're ready. Omo Tuo ready. Akole ready. What's your share? Anything that's what I'm for. One more. Maybe they are ready. You're ready. They're still young. They are not wrong. What's your share? Sunday, they are special.
DJ Blaze.
Welcome to Feels. Nice to see you again, bro. Code Micky. Code, the one and only Code Micky. Where? What's it? Tell them where they come Feels94. Tell them.
YouTubers in the house.